Hi, I am Ayesha Sheikh and welcome to my quick and easy cooking kitchen. Friends, I just turned 61 and I thought my experience in the kitchen of so many years, let me share it with all of you. So today I am going to show you one very so-called difficult Indian cuisine, biryani. Why is it so called? People always talk about, oh, biryani is so difficult to make. I am going to show you, मैं बताने वाली हूँ 3 easy step में आप बेहतरीन बिरयानी, how can you cook the best of biryani just in 3 steps. So here we go friends, the best Nawabi meat biryani. I have taken 1 kg of meat, मटन ले लिया है, अदरक लहसुन की पेस्ट 1 चम्मच पिसा हुआ अदरक, 1 चम्मच पिसी हुई लहसुन, ground paste of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon each. We put now few peppercorns, काली मिर्च डालते हैं, लौंग डालेंगे 5-6 लौंग, फिर हम डालेंगे दालचीनी, cinnamon, few cinnamon, इलायची डालेंगे, some cardamom, शाहजीरा, caraway seeds, very little, say half teaspoon, cumin seeds, जीरा, सफेद जीरा 1 teaspoon, beaten curd, nearly 300 to 400 grams of beaten curd, nicely fried golden onion, crisp golden onion, nearly 200 grams of fried golden onion, some cut coriander, green coriander, हरा धनिया, नमक स्वादानुसार. नमक जरा सा ज़्यादा डालिए. Put little more salt because we'll be putting rice in this biryani, so we need to put little more salts than normal. Turmeric powder, हल्दी, थोड़ी सी हल्दी, गरम मसाला. गरम मसाला कैसे बनाया जाता है ये मैं आपको सेपरेटली अलग वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी. उसके बाद जावित्री और जायफल, nutmeg and mace, pinch of each. I have mixed both the powders, so pinch of each. Very strong, so you can't put a lot of it. Dhania powder, just 1 teaspoon. And red chili powder. मिर्ची पाउडर डालते में केयरफुल रहिए. आपके घर वाले लोग कितना खाते हैं उस पर डिपेंड है कितना डालना. Be very careful with this. It's very pungent to taste. So only put as much as your family can eat. You have to put some potatoes in this. And now we'll start mixing it. Remember, you've got to mix it very well. If you don't mix the marinade very well, the biryani will not become nice. So mix it very well first with this and then mix it with your hand. While mixing, let's put some lemon juice. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 small lemon. If you have a big lemon, बड़ा है अगर नींबू, तो आपको आधा नींबू का जूस डालना है. तो आपको चक्के देखना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि नमक और बाकी सब मसाले, नमक मैं चख रही हूँ और मसाले चख रही हूँ. थोड़ा ज्यादा नमक लगना ही चाहिए. ये परफेक्ट लग रहा है. अभी हम इसको फ्रिज में रख देते हैं. नंबर 2, दूसरी स्टेप की तरफ. अब मैंने चावल लिया है तकरीबन आधा किलो, हाफ kg बेस्ट ऑफ बासमती राइस. वॉश एंड सोक इट फॉर मोर देन 45 minutes to 1 hour and then put lot of water till your this vessel can take. Let's add some few masalas. चलिए कुछ मसाला ऐड करते हैं. अब डाल रही हूँ मैं 2-4 काली मिरी, ब्लैक पेपरकॉर्न, some cloves, लौंग, दालचीनी के 1-2 छोटे टुकड़े, cinnamon 2 small pieces, cardamom, yes, 3 to 4, 3-4 इलायची, 2 तेज पत्ते। अब हम डाल रहे हैं थोड़ा सा जीरा, cumin seeds and थोड़ा शाह जीरा, that's called कारवी seeds, okay? और अब डाल रहे हैं नमक। नमक हमको बराबर मात्रा में डालना है। We'll have to put proper seasoning of the salt because if the rice is not salty enough, the biryani does not taste good. Okay? Salt 1 चम्मच डाला हमने, थोड़ा और डाल देते हैं। चलिए थोड़ा सा और डालते हैं। ओके? ये डालने से क्या होता है, क्योंकि जब पानी निकल जाता है तो अपना चावल इतना सॉल्टी नहीं होगा। डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। अब हम इसको गैस पे रख देते हैं। ये ध्यान रखिए, जब चावल आप पकाएंगे तब चावल को पूरा नहीं पकाना है। चावल को सिर्फ 3/4 तक पकाना है और फिर उसको छान के निकाल देना है। 3/4 चावल आप कैसे पहचानोगे? या तो आप कोई फ्लोरिंग पे चावल को दबा के देखिए तो आपके हाथ को थोड़ा सा some raw rice you should be able to touch, or eat 2-3 grains of rice। 2-3 चावल के दाने खा के देखिए। It should be little less cooked than your normal rice which you cook every day। Let us boil it and we strain it after it's done 3/4। देखिए अब चावल पूरा बॉईल हो गया है। Rice is cooked। I am just going to check। Perfect। It's little less than fully cooked। And here I am straining the rice in a big strainer। Be very careful because lot of hot steam can come on you and it's dangerous, so be very careful with this। There should be no water in the rice, and then we spread it on either a big tray or whatever big vessel, flat vessel you have। Spread it like this। This is how we can stop the cooking process of the rice। It should not cook। It has to be little, say just 80% cooked। You can put 2 hours। Marination is done। I've shown you how to make this rice। Rice is ready। I've cooled it under the fan। Now I have to melt the ghee। I'll need the ghee for assembling of the biryani and I'm going to show you how and when we are going to use it। This is the fully marinated meat। We just have to mix the melted ghee, Indian ghee, just the half of melted ghee, say 75 ml of melted ghee, and mix well। ये हम लोगों ने इसमें घी मिक्स कर दिया है मैरिनेटेड मटन में। अब हम डालेंगे बहुत मामूली, ये डाला हमने पुदीना, मिंट, ग्रीन मिंट। ओके, ये हमने डाला हरा धनिया, ग्रीन कोरिएंडर, सफेद जीरा, क्यूमिन सीड्स से 3/4 teaspoon, and a very important ingredient, no chef is going to tell you this is chaat masala। How to make this chaat masala I'm going to tell you in the next episode। So sprinkle some, say 1 teaspoon of chaat masala। This gives a very good taste to your biryani। This is the rice we have, which we have cooked, say 80%। Let us pour this rice। This rice we have put। Now we have marinated some saffron in hot milk। Just say pinch of saffron, ज़ाफ़रान जिसको कहते हैं, गरम दूध में मिक्स किया है और ये हम उसके ऊपर डाल देते हैं। और डालते हैं चुटकी भर हल्दी, very little turmeric। We are just sprinkling। Even this I don't think any chef would show you। Ready? It's boiling hot and now we are going to pour it on top of this hot ghee, approximately 75 ml of melted ghee। There are 2 ways of sealing the biryani। One is putting this जिसको हम आटा कहते हैं, रोटी का जैसा आटा बनाते हैं वैसा आटा बना के, यू कैन नीड दी फ्लावर and put it around this. This is for sealing the biryani. But I'm just showing you how to do this. So in case you want to do it the authentic way, you can do this. Seal it with this. Now I'm going to show you the alternative and the easy method how to seal it. Take some aluminium foil and seal it with this foil. Okay? Put one more foil so we make sure that no steam escapes this vessel of ours. Okay, and then put a cover on this. This is how we want it. Now this is ready to be cooked. Just two more tips. Always leave some space between the top of the vessel and the rice, because rice needs space to grow, to cook. चावल को फूलने के लिए जगह चाहिए, वो जगह रखनी चाहिए. तो कभी भी तपेली को पूरा चावल से मत भरिएगा. और अगर आपके घर वाले लोग ज्यादा तिखा खाना पसंद करते हैं, तो जब हम लेयरिंग कर रहे थे, कोथिमीरी डाल रहे थे, पुदीना डाल रहे थे, तब कटी हुई हरी मिर्च भी आप डाल सकते हैं. There are two ways. I am showing you the first way now. Keep a girdle on the gas, any hot plate on the gas, and put this on it. Okay, let it be on the fast fire on the high flame for at least 10 minutes, and then you can reduce the flame and cook it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once you put this on the fire, see to it that you put some heavy weight on this, okay, so that the steam does not escape. I have this in my house, so I am putting this on top of that. You can put any heavy weight. Now I am going to show you the second method of cooking inside the oven. Before putting it in the oven, keep it on a high flame for 10 minutes. Once that is done, I have already put it on the high flame for 10 minutes. We have to pop it into preheated oven. Put some weight on it so that no steam escapes. Close this and keep it on medium fire. So let us start plating it. I open this. Let me do the honors of opening this. Be very careful while opening it, because it's very, very, very hot. It's just come out of the oven. So it's going to be very hot. See the steam coming out of it. Oh, lovely. Divine aroma coming out of this. Wow. Now look at this. I am just separating the rice from top of the meat. I am just keeping it aside. Put your spatula straight down. Remove the meat part of it. Spread it like this. Remove the meat part of it. Lovely. Remove the meat. I can see some potatoes coming out. Still remove it. Wow. What a biryani. Wow. And now we can put some rice on top of this. Lovely. Lovely, lovely biryani. Lovely. Beautiful. The food always should look beautiful to look at and tasty to eat. That is our Shahi mutton biryani for you. Hi friends, I am sitting in front of this fantastic biryani. Very, very tempting biryani. But before I start eating it and before you start making it, a small Guru Mantra from me. Always cook with your heart and serve with your soul. Put your love when you are cooking, and see, whatever you cook is going to be so tasty, just like this biryani. Bye for now. See you later.